Hello you guys, and welcome back to Royally Slayed. I am Demetria, a licensed cosmetologist, and today I will be giving you guys the details on this lace front wig. If you're interested in quality, inexpensive hair, then please stay tuned and I'll give you more details. What's up guys? Please excuse this audio. I can't find my little connector for my microphone right now, so I'm just doing this in my bathroom. Everyone's asleep except for me, so I hope this audio is coming out well. But I wanted to show you this wig that I ordered off of Amazon from a company. I think it's Glowing Wind Hair, something to that effect. I ordered we'll just get into it. So I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to do a blind reaction. Okay, so I was right. Glowing Wind Hair Company. Like I said, it was on Amazon. I have I think this is the not Wet n Wavy, Water Wave. That's what it is, because it has WW Water Wave in 16-inch. So this is what it looks like inside. They have I have not ordered a lace front wig in like almost 3 years. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse my hair, excuse my makeup, excuse my voice going in and out. I gave it my all today at church when I was leading a song, so I sweated my hair out a little bit, and my throat is a little dry. So anywho, the package comes with 2 popsicle sticks and lace tape. Comes with a wig cap in the light color. Comes with a comb and a little bit about their store. So it just shows you how to apply and install the hair. I won't be using tape. I have some glue, but I might use this cap that they sent. I have some caps also. It tells you how to take care of it, and then on the back it has their return policy. So you guys, let me know if you prefer videos when they just show you the products and don't talk you through, or you like to see opening and unpackaging and stuff, because I'll probably try to do some more of these, like blind packaging of different things I get, hair, other things. So this is the wig. Like I said, it's 16 inches. I don't even know if I have a wig that long. Since I cut my hair, I haven't been wearing long hair like that, but now I'm growing my hair back, so I'm kind of getting more into long hair again. So it looks like it feels pretty nice. Not much of a smell, like it smells like hair, but not anything like an odor or anything, just like regular hair. So taking the net off, taking this off. It's another little card in here. Oh, little thank you card. The packaging is nice. I say 10 for packaging. I really like it. Oh, and there's a coupon. There's a coupon in here, so definitely check them out. Okay. So here's the wig. It looks like might have a little bit of pre-plucking already. Baby hairs. Hope I'm getting a good shot for you guys. And then the lace, they said the lace is transparent, but it looks like a little bit of a light brown to me. And then here's the length. The hair feels really soft. The curls feel soft. I know Amazon is the move now. When I first started getting bundles, it used to be AliExpress. So I know Amazon is the move. So I just want to show you guys how this quality of hair is. Right now it feels really soft. I'm going to bleach the knots because the knots are not bleached. I'm going to bleach the knots. It's like a natural brown color right now, and I think I'll keep it that way for now until I figure out if I want to put any color on it or anything. And I'm going to bleach the knots, and shampoo it and everything, and then I'll let it dry, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after that. It's giving very much Boricua, Spanish, Latina vibes, and I'm into it. I'm into all of it, okay? Okay, you guys, so I bleached the knots and I co-washed the hair, and this is the results. I installed it with Got2b, just a spray, just a temporary install, and you guys, this hair is so soft. I haven't received much shedding at all. Like, I'm running my fingers through, I think I maybe got one strand, but I mean, it's so soft. I have absolutely no product in here right now, so I would give this wig, I would give it a 9 out of 10. The only thing I would say is probably the lace. It was listed as transparent and it's actually light brown, but it's pretty soft, and I'll just dock the 1 point for it was accuracy. But the curl is gorgeous. Like I said, nothing in it. This is just from co-washing, so I would definitely recommend it. Yeah. My cap's right there. I didn't blend it the best, but the hair itself is great. I would definitely order. They had other styles, and they have kinky straights and maybe like body wave or something like that, and they have different inches. I think the longest is like 20 or 22. So, and I think this is 150 density. So again, please check out Glowing Wind Hair. I'll put their information in the link below, and check them out, and you know, get your wig, girl. If you are interested in these wig videos, you like the protective styles, I know I usually do like natural hair stuff. If you're interested in the protective styles, let me know something that you want to see. Braids are not my thing, I'm gonna let you know right now, but if you're into the wigs, weave, things along that line, then I will try to bring some of that to you. So thank you for tuning into my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.